inside the box when you get it. Instructions, a template on how to mount it, and what mounting fixtures you should be using to mount the actual product itself. There is a tab or roll on the side where you can roll the paper manually. Just be mindful if you do install a dispenser that it's not close to a corner on that side, or otherwise you will not be able to access that at all. Also be mindful that it opens from the top, not from the bottom or from the side. So make sure that you have enough room to get this key into the top and be able to open up the dispenser. The other things you need to be aware of is height. You don't want to install it at head height. You also need to be aware of installing around corners where people can just walk around into them. Just things like that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 locating points that we can use. If we're just doing it into masonry, so brickwork or timber, probably find we only need to use these 3 points here. But in the plaster, it's always a good idea to use the whole 5 of them. It just allows, when your plugs go in, it makes just quite a bit sturdy. You don't need to be finding all the time studs or timber behind the plaster. They will go into the plaster, no problems at all. It's just making sure that you use the right plugs and screws. So then it's just a case of sitting on the wall, happy at the levels, marking, taking it off the wall, and then basically just drilling, putting your plugs in, re-establishing where it's going to sit, and then screwing in the actual screws needed to hold it into place.